and cheer up. Something will come up. Maybe we'll hear from your mother.
Bad chance.
Yeah, well, I keep telling you, you gotta be more polite to folks. That guy was probably some rich Italian count or something. He'd been a lot smarter than betting on cotton ball, being nice to him.
That's a revolting thought.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Well, listen.
Mrs. Emily Post, who they tell me is most reliable. For a hell of a son, wrote a book that's become my Bible. And if only you'd look at this etiquette book of dear Emily's, I've read it. You could cohabitate with America's great family.
In Italy's too, huh?
See. Now, for instance, Snooks. When invited to hear from an opera box, Rigoletto's divine quartet, don't bother your neighbor by throwing rocks. It ain't etiquette. When you're asked to dine by some mean old minx, and a meatball is all you get. Now, what do? Never say to your hostess this dinner. It ain't etiquette. Now, and if you meet J.P. Morgan while playing golf with the Long Island banking set, don't greet him by tearing your girdle off. I get it. It ain't smart. It ain't chic. It ain't etiquette. On arriving at one of those White House balls, while I'm touching up my toilet, don't write smutty jokes on the bathroom wall. It ain't etiquette.
Oh, she's got it.
If the Chinese ambassador's wife confirms after 3 drinks of anisette,
Yeah, what do I do?
don't ask if it's true about Chinese girls. It ain't etiquette.
If my host for the weekend should introduce his great-grandmother's raspberry and jack,
When you're leaving, don't give her a parting goose.
it ain't smart,
It ain't cheap.
it ain't. Ba-da-ba-da-da. Dee-doo-ba-dee-doo.
Etiquette.
Buongiorno!
Okay, watch me.
You are reaching high. Reaching high.
Oh, of course. We always hitching hike after we lose. Sort of a penance. And what do strong, handsome Venetians do when they win?
Whatever the ladies desire.
The subway, the subway.
Well, how about a little hitch for 2 sore losers?
No, just one. I ain't gotta see a man about a dog.
Yeah.
Well, you know, Snooks, 3 on a match and all that.
It will be my pleasure to drive you.
You ain't kidding.